To find deals and flip NFTs, you need to be committed, patient, and use smart trading strategies. It can be frustrating to flip your NFT because you have to keep refreshing your browser on a secondary market like OpenSea and look at different parts of a project to see if they can make money or not. Before you buy something like this, you should do your research because flipping NFT projects comes with risks. I'm going to talk about 3 tried and true ways to flip NFTs, from how to flip them to when to do it. Before we start discussing in detail, please subscribe to our channel NFT Uncover and also press the bell icon as well. Set your goal. When you want to make more money from flipping your NFTs, you need to have a clear goal and plan. So, flipping NFT isn't an easy way to get rich because you need a lot of skills, talent, and knowledge to be successful. But that doesn't mean it's impossible to learn how to flip NFTs. You have to take the chance of flipping NFTs, even small projects, because it can help you learn a lot. NFTs have changed the way we trade, exchange, buy, and sell goods around the world. How to flip NFTs: 3 proof techniques. 1 floor price flipped method for NFTs. For the floor price flipping method to work, you need to find the NFT with the lowest price and sell it for more. Finding low-priced NFTs and selling them for more is an art, and to master it, you need to be patient and consistent. Flipping an NFT can be a short-term strategy that is mostly about finding flipping opportunities faster than other people and making sure to lock in profits when you can. Do not try to get information from insiders or think that a celebrity or influential person will boost the project and its status. Instead, you should find someone who sells NFTs for less money. Someone would sell NFTs for less because they don't know how much their project is worth or because they want to sell quickly and get their money back. Go to the OpenSea marketplace to find low-cost NFTs. Sort by buy now and just list it. Find any NFTs that are worth less than 18 ETH. 2 rare trait flipping for NFTs. Finding NFTs with rare traits that are cheaper than other NFTs with rare traits is the key to this method for flipping NFTs. Make sure to look at the properties to figure out how valuable they are. You can also use the Rarity Sniper or Rarity tools to figure out which parts of the NFT project are the most valuable. But this method of flipping takes more time, work, and skill to figure out which traits collectors want most. However, it is essential to be aware of trait tools, as they allow other people to snipe trait/rarity revealed on OS. Most of the time, it has to do with information about the project contract and gives people a window of time to snipe. 3 to be sold out NFT flipping. This is the flipping method for NFTs, which is used to find projects where collectors can mint an NFT when the project is new and just getting started. The project hasn't sold yet, but you can get in early by looking for an NFT project with 33% or fewer items left to be made. Find these projects and put them on OpenSea at the floor price, which will be higher than what it costs to mint the NFT. Essential things to consider when flipping NFTs. To make money quickly by selling NFTs, you need to look at projects from a logical and not emotional point of view. So, you should ask yourself some questions. Take a look at some of the most important questions you should ask yourself about NFT projects before you buy or sell them. Is this NFT project verified? A verified NFT project on OpenSea suggests more than 100 ETHs sold on that project. Because of this, OpenSea gives it a blue checkmark next to its name and makes it very desirable. But you should be careful when buying from projects with a blue check mark because scammers have learned how to use it to trick people into buying into fake schemes. To avoid these scams, you should check the address and use direct links from the official website. What is the trading volume? The NFT project's trading volume is a measure of how often people buy and sell. You can easily find out how often sales happen, which lets you figure out how popular the project is. When NFTs are in high demand, you can charge more for them. So, you should ask yourself if the number of trades will go down or up over time. If you think the NFT project has potential and will keep the volume of trades high, it might be a good choice for flipping. If you think the project will slow down and people will lose interest, it is best to avoid it and move on to something else. So, that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel NFT Uncover and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.